When it comes to action cameras, GoPro is the first brand that comes to mind. In 2024, they're launching two new products. First, the entry-level Hero 4K 30fps, cheaper, smaller, single screen, and ultra-light. Its durability is impressive, meeting various individual needs. The real star is GoPro 13, upgrading last year's powerful 12.5. 3K at 60 fps was impressive. Now it's 120 fps slow-mo. Improved GPS ensures worry-free creation. New 5. 3K 120 fps burst mode. 5 seconds, 20 seconds slowed down. 3K resolution outshines 4K, perfect for series creators. New original accessories enhance user experience. Magnetic base, high integration, compact, no folding mechanism. Easy attachment, no tilt, simple steps, no locking needed. Smooth anti-switch function. Convenient magnetic charging cover and cable. Original length options available. And waterproof, underwater charging, eases filming concerns. Original lenses shine, new software enhances experience. Blue ID blocks auto-detect lens models. ND lens suggestions based on metering results. Clear yellow arrows prevent exposure issues. Auto cinematic shutter replaces manual settings. Versatile macro lens, depth, sharpness, bokeh effects. Ultra-wide lens, broader view, horizon leveling for widescreen. Notable screen improvements in new model. HDR with HLG, vivid colors for scenery and low light. GoPro's renowned color performance, especially skin tones. 10-bit log, GoPro's strongest color feature. New heat dissipation design improves performance. GoPro leads action cameras for pros and enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching.